This video will be taking you through green transportation best practice in Germany. What is green transportation? Green transportation is the means of travel that do not have any negative effect on the environment. They are the mode of transportation that are environmental friendly, assist in sustainability and have no harm for future. What are the modes of green transportation? Different modes of green transportation could be bicycle, e-bikes, e-vehicles, hybrid vehicles, green trains, carpooling, public transportation, walking, etc. Challenges of green transportation. Some of the challenges that Germany's transportation and climate change confront are: 1. The emission of greenhouse gases are contributing to climate change, which results in risking public health through air and noise pollution, traffic accidents. 2. Car ownership. Increase in the number of car ownership also poses great challenge in climate change. The number of car ownership in Germany is increasing year by year. As per Statista, 2022, 72% of the total population in Germany owns a car. 3. Charging infrastructure. The numbers of electric vehicles are rising very fast as compared to the charging infrastructure in Germany. As per the research conducted by KfW Research, 2022, the availability of charging infrastructure is 3 times less than the charging vehicles, and it is not available in all locations. 4. Problems in public transportation. Only over 27 million Germans, most of who reside in major German cities and metropolitan areas, have accessibility to very decent public transportation alternatives. The offer is much lower and frequently insufficient for the other 55 million people who reside in suburban or rural areas. 5. Public awareness and participation. Public are still not aware about the climate change and the use of green transportation. The initiation and awareness through various platforms regarding the green transportation in macro level could be observed, but natural micro engagements from individual publics are still missing. Problems that were addressed in this project are: 1. Lack of awareness among people regarding climate change and its consequences. 2. Lack of knowledge, skills, and techniques among people regarding greenhouse gas emission. 3. Insufficient charging infrastructure. 4. Public transportations. Climate change mitigation actions taken. Some of the actions taken to mitigate the problem or the challenges to overcome the issue of climate change by green transportation in Germany are: 1. Use of coal to generate the electric power. 2. Restructuring the mobility. 3. Companies conducting business in heating oil, diesel or petrol will have to pay subsequently increasing CO2 price reaching 55 to 65 euros by 2026. 4. More focus on renewable energy source like wind and solar power. The following are the outcomes and results of this project. 1. By 2030, Germany will have at least 15 million fully electric passengers car. 2. Until 2030, millions of publicly accessible fast charging infrastructure. 3. By 2030, railways in Germany are going to be modernized and extend local transportation. 4. Electrifying 75% of the rail network and supporting innovative drive technologies. 5. Awareness and initiation from micro level as well. 6. The creations of a platform for learning and interaction that can help efforts engage and contribute in a more systematic way. Sustainable development goals that were addressed through these actions are: 1. Environment and climate change. 2. Green skills and 3. Community development. The current situation are: 1. Increase in use of bicycle. Riding bicycles has always been a part of European culture. Likewise in Germany as well, it can be observed that people are diverting their transportation to riding bicycles. From the data published by Statista, 2022, it is noted that the number of people riding bicycles several times in a week has increased from 11.04 million in 2018 to 12.77 million in 2021. Not only the people in Germany are willing to use bicycles for transportation, but even the German government has also been making huge efforts in promoting bikes and e-bikes as well. Extension of cycling paths where bikes have higher priority than other vehicles could be observed. 2. Increase in use of e-bikes. Not only the use of regular bikes has been increased, but the use of e-bikes has drastically increased in recent years. As per the data published by e-Bike News, 2022, 2 million e-bikes were sold in 2021 in Germany. This shows that the best practice of riding bicycles as green transportation is booming in Germany. 3. Use of public transportation. In 2020, due to COVID pandemic fear, the use of public transportation in Germany was comparatively low than in previous years. But as the fear of the COVID pandemic lessens, the number of people using public transportation has been increasing as per the data published by Statista, 2022. This project is brought to you by N0 and our partners.